Hi, my name is Sally Sampson. I'm a radio host and I'm a performer. I'm passionate about communication and I'm here to help you become a more effective communicator. So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 myths of impactful communication, debunked. Number 1, being talkative equals being a good communicator. We all know people who talk a lot but never seem to say anything, or just say the same things over and over and over again. And so the real big question is, do I go with the cupcakes or do I go with the brownies? But then in my mind I'm like, well, why choose? Let's go with both. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so unhealthy. You're like, what? Impactful communicators know when to talk, how much to talk, and when to shut up and listen. If you talk all the time, you don't have time to listen, and listening is a key component of effective communication. Number 2, the best speakers in the world are naturally confident and never get nervous. Hello? We all get nervous, even professionals in the media. It's not about eliminating your nerves, it's about managing your nerves. There are a number of ways to do this, and one of the easiest ways is to change your physiology. Life coach and strategist Tony Robbins has been saying this for years. So if you're feeling nervous in your body, get up, dance a little bit, take a walk. Don't just sit there and try to reason with the unreasonable. It doesn't work. Number 3, communication is a talent. Many people see what I do in my life as a radio host or as a performer, and they think, to quote Lady Gaga, I was born this way. I wasn't. Impactful communication is a skill that can be taught and learned through deliberate practice. That is the bottom line here. You have to do the homework. So you have to know not only what you're gonna say, but who you're gonna say it to and how you're gonna say it. But the most important thing is to realize that you can become an excellent communicator. It just requires you to implement day by day the skills and the knowledge and not be afraid to fail. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe. You can also follow me on my social media on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. And don't forget to check out the links below as well. I have a free PDF for you with a summary of everything that I talked about in this video. And if you really want to take your learning forward and to another level, make sure you visit me here. I have so many different ways that I would love to work with you and hopefully coach you on your way to becoming a more impactful communicator. And until next week and another video, remember, I'm always rooting for you.